Meow. Because why not? Because I just like it. Alright, oh, I ran out of time. Why are you asking me that? Men 이렇게 셔틀. I made a lot of mistakes. Manning the channel. How are you? I'm getting my reps in. It was really close. Oh, that was really close. I'm slow. I'm slow. I don't know. Not to cope, but I'm gonna cope. I think part of it is something like anemia. I'm like really weak in the morning. Really weak. Also bad posture. Okay, so I took a little break yesterday from computer science circles, but it's about time we get back to it. Back to business. Commanding JJ, commanding Wallach, fake, commanding Baritone. Hi. Okay, so I need to pop out chat. I'll let you guys hang out for a little bit, but then I'm gonna lock in. So, 2 days ago, the day before yesterday, we did spy coder and spy decoder, where we practiced the Caesar cipher using a shift value. Yeah, that was a big revelation for me. Oh, I still have it typed in there. Now we get to this big bad boy of a problem. Working for the bad guys. Using letter frequency analysis. Okay, I vaguely remember this. So instead of doing a shift, we need to try to statistically determine what an encrypted message is. I'm pretty sure that's what we need to do. Let's just read it again, because, yeah, it's been a day. I'm gonna mute my mic so I don't have to hear myself. Not my mic, let me just take the tab. Okay. Working for the bad guys. You've been hired by a spy to help decipher a message encrypted using a shift cipher. Sadly, the spy does not know the value of S. You will use statistics to write a program that has a good chance to automatically find the right value of S. Our method will be to use letter frequency analysis. In English, some letters are very common, like E, and some are very rare, like J. Here's a table of frequencies based on counting the occurrences in a large body of text. For example, the frequency of L is 0.0402 or 4.02%, which means that in average English text, 4.02% of the letters are L. Call the goodness of a letter its value in the chart above. Then, for our statistical method, define the goodness of a sentence to equal the sum of the goodness of each of its letters. Okay. The goodness of the string good is goodness good 0.0202 plus 0.0751. I need to drink some water. Give me a second. Losing my voice. Anyway, the whole thing is 0.2129. Now, the idea behind frequency analysis is that strings with higher goodness are more likely to represent English. For example, if the spy sees the encoded message JRRG, this might either represent the original text GOOD with a shift 3 or IQQF with S equals 1, but goodness of IQQF is lower than the one for the goodness of good. So our program should conclude that good is more likely to be correct. Yeah, measuring strings by goodness is not perfect. Okay, I remember reading this. I don't feel like reading it again. This is a brute force solution. Okay, we don't need to read that either. We're just gonna focus on the problem for now. Another thing I wanted to look at, though, before moving on, is my other solutions. Say 16. Can I? Oh, okay. So, I saw something about using modulo 26. Can I refactor this to use modulo 26 instead of so much nesting? For character in unencrypted, if character is alpha, and if the ordinal A is less than or equal to ordinal character, which is less than or equal to ordinal Z minus S. In other words, I was like, if 65 is less than or equal to, oh, whatever, character, ord character, which is less than or equal to ord, no, 90 minus S. So in this case, it was 85. Encrypted is plus equals something. What's this number? Ord character plus S and that character. You know what? I'm just not sure. I'm not quite sure. Modulo 26 tells you the remainder. And then what do you do with that remainder? I don't know. I'm not gonna change it, actually. I just decided right now. I don't know that it's super worth the time to change it right now. Given that I don't even know how to change it, I'll just leave it alone. I'll just leave it alone and say, save it for a rainy day. So now let's start getting work done on this other part. So first, I'm going to write some pseudocode for our program. Write a program which does the following. First, it should read one line of input, which is the encoded message. So, input is encoded message, and it'll also we want to know output, and that is it will consist of capital letters and spaces, of capital letters and spaces. Your program must try to decode the message with all 26 possible values of shift. Out of these 26 possible messages, print the one that has the highest goodness. Okay, so our output is going to be message with the highest goodness. Okay. For your convenience, we've predefined a variable letter goodness for you. A list of 26 which equals the values in the frequency table above. Oh, my tummy hurts. Okay, let's see. Meow. I will try not to hide too much code down here. Let's put this up here. So how do I want to start this? First we're gonna define a function, and then after that we want to I don't think I should use it. Should I use it? Should I use it? Should I use it? Right, should I use it? No, I don't need to. I was thinking about using a search because I just learned what that is, but I won't use it because I don't really know how to implement it yet. But it's an idea. So we're just going to accept, take an input, and then we're gonna probably need some kind of loop, right? Oh, but wait a minute, we already have a program. This is actually, wait, is this perfect? Maybe we don't have to rewrite it. Maybe we could use our decoder, I guess. Yeah, we probably could use our decoder. Or, yeah, because it's, yeah, we want to use the decoder, not the encoder. So then we could see if, I need to make smaller steps. Write a loop that iterates over the message input and performs spy decode each loop 26 times. And yeah. Use spy decoder with shift values 0 through 26. Is it 0 through 26 or is it 1 through... I think it's 0 through 26. Wait, let me think about it. 0 to 25. No. Well, all 26 possible values of the shift. Okay, so maybe that also includes meow 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 meow. Let me look at the something again, 1 second. A shift of 1 is B. There's 26 letters. But this is the second letter. So the 26th letter has a shift of 25. Something like that. And then in addition to looping and using SPY decoder, we want to make sure that we want to make sure that we are saving, or do we want to save it, or do we want to just evaluate it? Do we want to save, or do we want to save each possible string and then evaluate it? Or we could do, no, we have to save all of them. We have to save all of them because, yeah, because just because that's why we got it. It's just what we have to do. So rather than saving, what I'm actually saying is we need to calculate okay, so for each shift, calculate sum of goodness. Is it sum? I think it was sum. Yeah, goodness is of some string. This is sum. It's some function. Okay. And maybe I think the easiest way would be to save those or add the sum of goodness results to a list. Evaluate which at which index does the list is max of list. We wanted the position, and that should correspond to the shift. Yeah. Which should correspond to shift. And then we want to, do we want to print or we want to return? Read. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Print the one which has the highest goodness. Print the message with the highest goodness. I think this is going to be a lot harder. I think this is going to be really hard. I don't know why. I think it's going to be difficult for me. But that's okay. We'll take it slow. We'll take it slow. We'll take it kind of slow. Let's go back here. I will need to fix this though, because, oops. Oops. Because the way I wrote this before, spy decoder didn't take any arguments. So I think it would be better if this just takes an argument and then we get rid of this. I think I should make a change also in here for consistency. Even though I'm not using spy coder, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, spy coder goes from, I mean they kind of do really similar things, really. It's just the order, the what is it called? The direction of the shift, I think. Why did I do it like that? I don't know. I think that's what they told me to do. I guess the shift is always from left to right. The shift is always from left to right. So that's why the direction, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's fine. So, here we go. What else do I need? So yeah, I'm gonna use spy decoder. Oh, my brain already hurts. I haven't even started doing anything yet. Let's see. We're gonna make a function and call it. What do I want to call it? Auto decryption. No. Um. 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 What do I wanna call this? Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I think we call it auto. Oh, they call it auto decoding system. Auto decryption. This is what we're gonna call it. I keep it simple. Gonna keep it simple. And then it's going to take an input of encoded message. Actually, we just call it message. less characters to type. Let's see, I take a message. And then this is where I'm a little bit uncertain. Oh wait, as long as I don't call spy decoder there. Actually, I don't want to delete that. I just want to comment it out. Then I should be fine to use it. Let's see. A loop that iterates over the message input. The other thing we're gonna need is we're gonna need this letter goodness thing. Wow. Wow. Give me a second. I wanted to take a look at some list formatting that I've forgotten about. Let's go to the bookshelf. And let's go to Python. And let's go to lists, sequences, maybe data types. Sequences? Begin multi-line list, literal. That's a tuple. That's something else. I want to see a big, please show me a big list. Come on, please, pretty please. Let's see. Let's go to collections. Ha ha ha. I just want to see. I want to see a pretty big collection. I want to see a pretty big list. These are short. These are ranges. These are. I don't know what it looks like. I should go to the Pep 8, but I'm afraid of the Pep 8. I'm afraid. Pep 8. Oh, I'm afraid. Hobgoblin of Little Minds. Oh, a foolish consistency. It's a hobgoblin of Little Minds. Okay, fine. Not block comments. Let's just scroll. Now. Indentation. Yeah. Max line length 79 characters. Wow, wow, wow. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. I want to see an example. Pet peeves. Other recommendations. Oh, no space for multiplication, but it looks so ugly. But okay, fine. This is not what I'm here for. This is what I'm here for. Right. Well, kind of. It's not about the commas. Man. When to use trailing commas. Man. Trailing commas are usually optional, except they are mandatory when making a tuple of one element. It's recommended to surround the latter in technically redundant parentheses. Oh, wait a minute. So if you put a comma after a string, it's a tuple? I don't believe you. Wait a minute, I don't believe you. Wait, that doesn't work. Let's try it. Meow. I don't know. Some text. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. It's a tuple! Even though it doesn't have. Oh my god, my mind is blown. That's crazy. That's insane. Okay, well, you live, you learn. This is why you gotta read the docs, kids. This is why you always gotta read the docs. I'm not here for commas. I just want to see what looks nice. Man, can you just tell me the answer, please? Naming conventions, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Recommendations. Code should be written in a way that does not disadvantage other implementations. You know what? This article isn't even that long. I should really take a day and read this. Maybe when we finish, the circles, coding circles. I'll read this. See, we'll do a read along. Okay, let's see. This doesn't answer my question. Python. Big list. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, wait. Stack Overflow. Working with huge lists in Python. Ah! I want to see you disappear from my site. You element. Get off my page. Okay. How can I manage? How can I begin to work with it? Well, I'm not curious about how to work with it. I just want to know how to make it look. This looks pretty good. So we do none on the first line. Right? This is kind of ugly, though. There's not even spaces. It's just commas. This looks really ugly. The best way to handle 100 million strings is to put them in a database, but enumerating 100 million strings here can be avoided. Do you really need to store all hands? I would not recommend using strings. It looks like you're representing cards with 2-byte strings. Okay, they're saying a lot of words. With lots of memory. This is not really the question that I had. I have a formatting question. Python. Formatting. Big lists. Come on. This is not it. I want a long list. I want a long list. This is not it either. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here, you elements. Get off my page. Okay, let's see. Um. This is really not helping me. I'll just want to mastering data formatting. Hey, is this it? Risky click of the day. Is it a risky click or is it my internet? Yeah, it's a risky click. Okay, oops. I just got a virus. That was really fast. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. I haven't yet found an example of like really cool, good looking Python code. Man. Cloudflare is gay. How to efficiently manage. I don't really want whatever. I don't want to manage it. I just want to look at it. I hate you. I hate you all. I'm just gonna do whatever I want. I tried my best to care about, you know, what is it called? Looking cute or whatever. We're just gonna do something like this. We're just gonna take this here. And then we're gonna put this, like, I don't know. This looks so bad. Or just put it over here arbitrarily. 26 letters. Divided by 2 is 13. That's not good enough. Let's go with 13 rows of 2. Now, did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? Oh, this one just doesn't, this one is just missing a trailing 0 for some reason. I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna put it in there so that it looks pretty, but then I have to double check that that's actually what the value is. 1.270. Are there any other ones that have a trailing 0? No, just you. Just that one guy. Just wanted to feel special, didn't you? Letter E. You just wanted to feel really special. As if you're not already special enough because you're so popular. Okay. Word. Word. That's not right. Let's go back and do that again. Word. End. Let's go back. Let's see. 2, 9. No. I forget my Vim. Capital T. 9. No, that doesn't do anything. F9? Wait! T9. F9. Oh, okay. So F goes directly on the character. How do I go back? Isn't it shift? Shift F? It is. I don't know why it didn't work the first time I was trying it. Here's a fun tip for those of you who are beginners like me. If you want to take a lot longer trying to learn programming, try to teach yourself Vim at the same time. I guarantee you, the amount of time it takes you to master programming will expand by a factor of, like, I don't know, 30 or something, by a lot. Shit. Okay. Let me go back to F5. That's not the right one. F5 is not the right one. T. 5. Oh, it's lowercase f. Ah, fine. One of these days. CZ. Okay. Then we're gonna go to 3. And then gonna after this. And then we're gonna go to what if I do F comma period? Nope, that's not what I wanna do. I just do F comma again, and then I do that. F comma. Oh, can I do F2 comma? Wait. F2. No, that doesn't do that. That goes to 2. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. This looks so bad. Wait, this was a horrible idea. This doesn't even look good. It's okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. I tried, guys. I tried to look. I don't know how to make it look nice. I didn't look hard enough. I gotta look harder. Let's see. What if I look into... Oh, my tummy hurts. I want to see more examples of code with like a big list. I want to see code with a big list. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know what it looks like. I just feel like something about this looks really off. I think I just put it too far. I don't know, but that also looks really off. I'm gonna talk to chat a little bit. 5 lines smaller than I thought. Eh? Use evil mode? What's evil mode? I don't want to do. Tell me what to do. Don't you use Neovim? Nope, I don't. Shift E goes to the end of the word, ignoring some characters like dots. Shift E. Ignoring? But wait. Oh, thank you. Thank you, McSteve. That's a good one. Let's not talk about this. Let's not talk about this. I'm not switching to Neovim. Marathon says don't read the chat. You're right. But I actually have a question for you guys for once. I actually have a question. Can someone tell me, like, don't talk to me about Vim. I don't wanna hear it. What I wanna know is like, how do you format a long list so it looks pretty? How do you format a long list? Noise tummy mods? No, I'm not okay. I'm dying. I think it's cancer or something. Use a linter. No. I don't want to use a linter yet, but I will in the future. I'll learn Pylint in the future. Nightmare killer. It depends on what. So like if I have a list like this, how many times should I indent to make it look okay, but not that bad? Yeah, wall kick fake. I can't pay attention to you because you guys like to backseat. You like to tell me what to do. You like to tell me how I should live my life. And I already have one mom. I don't need another one. Is that mean? Is that a little bit mean? There's no one correct way if it looks fine. We can group the items. Just once should be fine. What do you mean group? What do you mean group? I don't know what that means. No, we're not going to store the list in a CSV file. Literally, it's just... We're not doing that. I would move the last bracket a little more to the left so it aligns with the first. There's no correct left. Okay, thank you, Flame Gunner. Thank you. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Like, I don't know. I'm just making it up. Maybe you could say, you could argue, oh, cat girl, this literally doesn't matter. They're just wasting time so you don't have to write more code. And I would say you got a point there. Okay, well it's just off by 1 space. I think that's in a line now. Let's see. Yeah, it's in a line. Alright. It's in a line, alright. It matters. Badly formatted code is hard to read. The classic off by 1. I would do letter goodness, something line, something T, value 1, value 2, value 3, A, B, C. That makes no sense to me. That doesn't even. Or do you mean skip a line? What's T again? Which slash T again? Which one is that? Is one tab? Just one tab. Three values. Okay, instead of 2. The reason I chose... Okay, yeah, okay, I see what you're saying now. Sorry. I chose 2 values, because there's 26 letters, and I didn't want one to be lonely. But, let's see. Ha ha ha. Okay, if I do Shift E, it goes to the end. What happened? Oh, I could just go to W. Let's go back here. Let's go back here. It would be so useful to use macros at a time like this. It would be so good. Delete 2 word. No. Delete 2 0. Okay. Um, 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 um. I think I accidentally got rid of some numbers there. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Okay. I take a little bit of break. ABC adding a comment at the end of the line to tell the reader this is the value for ABC. Oh, okay. Let me think about that. I see. That's a good idea. It's not a bad idea. Join lines together with Shift J. Okay, I'm not reading to you guys anymore. It's too complex. Listen, it's too much. Wait, let's see. What happens if I press Shift J? Oh, that's good. Wait. Shift J. I'm on line 42. Okay, it brings the line that's below. That's useful. Okay, let's see. Shift J. And then want to go to Shift E. And then I go after that. And I put this on a new line. And I do Shift J again. Oh, thank you. Look at this. And then, wait, what if I do it again? Shift J. But instead, put this on a new line. Shift J. Oops. This is oddly satisfying. Okay, this goes here. Shift J. And then this goes here. And then Shift J again. Oh, but see, now there's 2 lonely ones. Oh, look at those. Look at it. What is it? X and Y are so lonely. And also now, this like, this little guy looks really dumb right here, but I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine. It's just, stay right there. Ah, my brain hurts. My next question about formatting, though. My next question about formatting Google has their own Python style. Man, I'm so mad at Google today. Can I complain about Google a little bit? So I've been using WaterFox, right? Tell me why. I can log into YouTube just fine. Some of the time, actually. Put an asterisk on that with WaterFox. Once in a while, Google does this thing. Because you know how, like, I don't know, they use algorithms. Oh, I forgot to start my timer, by the way. They use algorithms for a lot of things. So sometimes, randomly, when I go to sign into YouTube, it'll hit me with a, you're using an outdated browser. You should use a different browser, right? But then I like refresh it or I like close it and open it again and then it works fine. No, but this time it's worse. Now, there's this thing. Wait. Pay, WaterFox, payments, Google. So, where is that? It was on Reddit. Yeah. PayGoogle.com never fully loads in Classic. There's like a similar thing where, on Google's ads, on Google Ads, they have like an embedded thingy for like entering your wallet information, and only that part of the page was blocked by my browser, and there was like a big message saying like WaterFox can't load this page or whatever, but everything else works, but it's just that one section didn't work. And I know that has also to do with WaterFox and like something about security. I'm not working on anything. I'm wasting time. I get back to it. The last question that I have is, can I really, like, since I'm in the middle of a list, I can't just put comments here, can I? I can just put comments right here in the middle of the list? Oh, that's crazy. Oh my god, that's so crazy. Wait. That's so crazy. I should put a comma there. I don't know, something about this looks illegal to me. Something about it looks wrong. Got it from Stack Overflow, it worked. I put my phone under the same stress my laptop used to hold. Uh-oh. Anyway, okay, I stopped reading chat and tried to lock in a little bit more. I'll set 1 hour timer. I need to solve this in 1 hour or else I'm going to explode. We see the EF. Wait, how do I do this again? Is it Control Y? Control. Nope. I don't know what that did. Undo. Wait, I'm scared of me. How do I redo? I don't remember. That's so scary. That's so scary. Wait. What I wanted to do is... what I don't want to do is type weird things into Vim and then accidentally break something. Vim, how to copy line? No, it's not. I don't want to yank. There's this thing. It's like where you can copy character directly above. I don't know if that's a... It's not a yank. One character at a time. Is it this? While typing, oh, we have to be in insert mode. Ah, that's where I messed up. I was in normal mode. So, in insert mode, if I do... Actually, I don't want to be there. I want to be here. Then I do Control Y. I just like practicing. Leave me alone. I just like practicing. You know? Might not be good today, but maybe in several years I'll be good. This is a problem again for people who are curious what the heck I'm working on. This is what I'm trying to work on. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U. Oops. And then the lonely pair. Something like this. I think it's still pretty ugly, but it's okay. We save it. We lock it in. Okay. Now, I do want to double check that I have the numbers correct. I think everything looks good though. 697 1577 402 241 675 751 193 9 599 633 906 276. Oh my god, it's like two-factor authentication codes. Very gay, by the way. I hate those. I would really like something better, but I feel like the new ideas for two-factor auth are actually worse. Like, I don't want to. No, I don't want to scan my face. No, I don't want to scan a QR code. Please, I need to buy a YubiKey, but I heard that there's been issues with them, not getting accepted at for some things. Okay, whatever. Whatever. I spent way too much time on this part. So, now, let's actually try to solve this before chat loses their patience with me. We defined the function, we took the input, and we have to write a loop that iterates over the message input 26 times. Also, we need an empty list for... Do we need an empty list? Let me think about this. Yes. Empty list is going to be... Do we need an empty list? Let me think. I don't know. Actually, I won't make it because I'm not sure. Okay, we need a loop, probably. For I in range 0 to 26. What do we want to do? We want to do... I just realized something. I think we also need to make a parameter for the message here. So, can we do that? How do I make it? Can it still be an input? Does it need to be an input? Maybe. Oops. Oh no, wait. Is it control Z? That's really not it. I'm in so much trouble. How to redo in Vim? I can't remember if I bound it to R. I don't think I did. Control R. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Don't panic. Define a function, take an input. Try to loop that message that iterates over We're all in range. 0, 26. What do we want to do? I want to do spy decoder. I think. I want to do spy decoder on. I want to do spy decoder on our new message, but I don't know how to do that. Oh yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is like 40K. Too far. I'm gonna steal all of this. I'm just gonna make a new one, I think. Press the wrong buttons again. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes it happens to the best of us. Meow, meow, meow. Ha ha. Okay. Done. I don't know if I can do this though. I guess it doesn't matter. This work? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. It just causes a problem later. It shouldn't though. Theoretically, it shouldn't cause a problem. It should be fine. So we do something like spy decoder. Hear me out. Spy. Oops. Spy decoder. I message. And that's going to. What is that gonna do? Oh, it prints something. Oh, we don't want to print. We actually. I think we want to return. Uh. Um, um, um. And then. Oops. Do I need to save it? What do we get? We get back some. Oh, do we need the? Do we need the message? We don't need the message. We don't need it permanently. We need it temporarily. We're gonna call this. We're gonna call this. Um. What do we call it? Decrypted. I feel like the final thing should be decrypted message. What if we just call it shift message? Okay. So we have some message like, I am a cat. But it's like all it's it's all cryptic, right? It needs to be decoded. So then we put that in our message, and then we have letter goodness. Oh, I'm in so much trouble. I don't know how to do this. So for I in range 0 to 26, shift message just spy decoder 0. So it means we're not shifting at all. And then whatever the message was. And what we get back is like the same message. And then we need to calculate the goodness. Oh, my brain really hurts. I don't really know how to do this. How do I map letter goodness to the letters that I want? Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. First step. Get the message, and we have a new message. Now that we have shift message, we need to look at each letter. Then I really didn't think this through. What am I gonna do with this? For character in shift message, if char is alpha, oops, I'm gonna throw up. I don't really know. I don't know what I'm doing here. If it's a letter, this is why that whole modulo 26 thing might have come in handy. How do I say that the ordinal number displaced by some amount is it just minus 65? Yes, that's exactly what it is. If it's a letter, if the character yeah. take the character, take the ordinal of the character, which is some number, minus 65. And that'll give us, right? The whole alphabet shifted. That doesn't make any sense. That's actually not the right math, is it? Or will it? Wait, yeah, index, wait. 90 minus 65 should be 25. It is. Okay, yeah, that's perfect, actually. Okay. So, the ordinal of some character minus 65. We need that as, that's gonna be like, if the letter is A, that's 65 minus 65, which is 0. So index 0 of letter goodness. And we're gonna add it to, we need a sum. I don't know how to do this. Give me a second to think about this. Do we just need one sum? No, we need multiple sums, but we need, my brain really hurts. Let's think. We want to add Okay, sorry, I'm all over the place. Here's my concern. My concern is that this is just gonna go really badly. Like, it's just not gonna work. I don't know. Wait, what do I want to call it? Yeah, sum of goodness. Ah, this is really terrible. This is really bad. It's okay. I've written worse code than this like yesterday. So this is fine for me. We're going, if it's a letter, we're gonna add the letter goodness to sum of goodness. And then we need am I really gonna do this? Sums of goodness. This is really bad. It's an empty list. Hear me out. Oh, this is like the opposite of clean code. Um, 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 um. Can I just continue here? Do I need to continue? I don't know. I'll just put it in there because I don't know if I should put it in there or not. Okay. And then if it's not, my brain really hurts. Let me think about this. If character is alpha, So if it's like a letter A, then add the goodness of the letter A to the sum of goodness, right? And we want to keep doing that. I'm very confused right now. We want to do that for the whole word in the whole message. Shift message. But when we're done with that, we want to append it to the sums of goodness, and then reset sum of goodness to 0, and then continue. This is really, really bad. I don't know. I don't know. I'm vibe coding. I'm coding based on vibes. So we do that a bunch. Okay, so we write the loop. We loop 26 times. We use SPY decoder with shift values. Yes, of range 0 to 26. For each shift, calculate the sum of goodness. I did that. I didn't make it a function though, I just added it. Add sum of goodness results to a list. Maybe I should call this, yeah, maybe I should call this results. I feel like results is less specific though. What if we just call it sums? I feel like sum of goodness and sums of goodness is too close. It gets confusing. We just call it sums. And we understand that the sums have all of the sums. You get it? Sum of goodness is just one, but the sums is like all of it. I'm even confusing myself. Anyway. Then, after we do all that, um, after we do all that, oops. We added it to the list, so I add sums of goodness to a list called sums. And then evaluate the max. Actually, yeah, let's just do it. Evaluate at which index max list, at which index, I haven't saved in a while. Evaluate at which index is max of lists. Meow, meow, meow. I don't know how to do that. Wait. I actually don't know how to do that. Wait, let me double check something. Meow equals 1, 2, 3, 10. Max meow should give me 10. If we do meow index max meow. Okay, that's what I need. But without the meow. Something index. uh sums index max sums I don't know what happened to my indentation. Oh man. Okay. Oh, we'll just do the opposite of the sums of goodness, letter goodness, mass. What are we gonna call this? Um. I'll call it best guess equals this. I forgot a parentheses. Best guess is an index. Do we want... Yeah, we want the index. Why do we want the index again? Oh, it's a shift. It's a shift number. Okay. So the best guess is like some shift number. And then we want to I guess we need both. I guess that's why they had us make it. I think we need both. I think we need the encoder. Am I lying? Am I lying to myself? Let me think about this. Oh, we don't need the encoder. We just do the decoder again. Best guess is a number. The index or the shift. It's a shift. Or why don't we just, instead of calling it guess, we call it best shift? Or not best. Why do we call it good shift? Because we're testing goodness. Good shift equals something. Print the one which has highest goodness. Print Am I in trouble here? Am I fine or am I in trouble here? Print spy decoder good shift message. I might be in trouble. Let's try running this. Actually, let's not run it yet. Let's try checking the code for once. I never do that. Let's check the code for once and step through logically and then see. And also, we need to write a test. Let's see. Let's say what would be a good run? A test. My brain hurts. Can I put an input in a parameter? What if, wait. What if I do this for now? just so I have an easier time calling it. I already forgot what it was called. Wait. Auto decryption message. Auto decryption. No, not meow. It has to be like meow, but with extra steps. P H R Z. Oh wait, no punctuation, and it has to be all caps. PHRZ, PHRZ, PHRZ. Actually, I don't remember how we handled it. Whatever, it's fine. Is it fine? Guys, it actually might not be fine because I didn't do. I try to just ignore the fact that punctuation and spaces exist. So I think I might end up running into an issue with that. Oh no, that's fine. Okay. So this makes me laugh. Oh, so we have a message. PHRZ. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. And how does this work? It's gonna. Yeah, it's gonna. Oh, okay. That's gonna be a really terrible shift. It's gonna be like a shift of like 20 something. Because it has to go all the way around the alphabet. So the first time it should be like PR. Right. PHRZ. And then it should be QISA, etc., whatever. Let's just I don't know. No, I'm not good at this. I'm not good at this. I think I just put too many steps. They always say that you should like should make write one thing at a time and test along the way, but I never do that. Okay. I spelled message wrong. That's good. That's great news. In line 75. Okay. That's great news because I can actually fix that. I know, hey, I know how to fix that. I know how to fix that. Let's just add an S. Okay. Wait, it worked. Are you kidding me? It actually. I think my code works, boys. Okay, before I get too excited though. I mean, I'm already too excited. It's too late. I'm excited now. Wait, I'm actually excited. Okay. I have to figure out how I can adjust this so that it works with this. I guess. Yeah, they predefine the variable letter goodness, so I don't need that part. I definitely need like everything but that part, so I'll just grab it all. I'll go with this. And then I'm going to take this out. And then I'm going to uncomment this. Let me think. It should read one line of input, which is which is the encoded message. Alright, whatever. I think it actually works. So we have that. And then I think we need to call it. Auto decryption. I cross my fingers and I pray. Please. Go easy on me. Shit. In line 32, auto decryption. In line 16, you submitted input. End of file. What did I mess up? What did I mess up? I don't really... End of file while reading a line. Oh wait, maybe... Do I need to call it on... I don't know. This is actually a flaw that I should fix now. I don't know if I can do this. Like, is it legal to do this? Do I need to put the input in here, or can I just... Does this work? I don't... Actually, I'm really confused. Why is that? If let's just test it then. If I take this out, and then in here, PHRC. It still gives me meow, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong that's causing an end of file. If I just take out this, I don't really know how they want to do it because they didn't tell me. I'm pretty sure I have to call it, right? Program executed without crashing. Auto decrypt. Did I spell it wrong? End of file. Hmm. Can I want to see what they're... Do I have to provide it, or do they want to provide it? No, they're gonna, right? They're gonna provide it. Read one line of input. Maybe. Maybe we just do message? But I don't know if that's an input. Missing one requirement. That's why it can't be there. I'm actually confused. What does it mean to read one line of input? Click go back to grading to switch back? Is this different? I think this might be different from what I've done before. Enter testing statements like... Wah, 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 wah. What do I have to print? Does it already print? Um, 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 um. Hmm. Did not pass test. Check details below. Input. Did you forget to use print? I didn't forget to use print. I'm just really confused. I'm actually really confused. There you go. Okay, they wanted me to make test statements for this run, and I haven't done that before in the other run. If you click run, it should provide its own. Yeah, in the past it did, Alex. Test box disappeared for me. It's if you type in that box. Meow, meow, meow. Hi, Yuval. How are you? Good morning. We did it! Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We did it! Guys, I can't believe it. I did it. It looks through every possible shift and tries to find the closest frequency to letter goodness. It finds the highest sum of frequencies of the letter's goodness. So we got join me at 8 by the zoo. And this is a sample line of text for decrypting. And I am the very model of modern Major General. Video killed a radio star. Offie. The shift could also equal 0. Wait. I'm having trouble reading this. Input, 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 input. Oh, wait. So I could just put plain English and then it would probably give me back plain English. Oh, thank you, Digital Idiot. How FBI, open up. No, no, no. Wait, FBI Kun, wait. Wait. Don't get me yet. Wait. What kind of secret message is Offie? If you know, you know. Now you can make Caesar salad. Delicious! Yay! Have you heard the good letter? Is it M for magic? Commanding signalis. Oh yeah, signalis. Okay. If you wanted to make this auto-decoding system more accurate, you could pay attention to other statistics. Oh yeah, no, we're not gonna do that. Man, my brain actually hurts. But we're actually not done. We are not done with exercise 15. We're done for today, but we're not done overall because I'm so proud of myself, by the way, boys. This one is really hard. I'm not saying the code is good, but I'm really proud. Oh, welcome back, Nightmare Killer. It worked. We all get to celebrate. Yay! I'm so happy. But remember, it said exercises 15A, 15B, and 50C can be completed in any order. So I went with 15B first and 15C second. So we still gotta do 15A, unfortunately. But not today. I will do it tomorrow. I'll just take a little preview. And I bet you this one is easier, but maybe not. I don't know. Can't procrastinate. Okay, good luck, Demzel. Hope you have a good day. Could I make a very tiny, small formatting nitpick? Go for it. Well, no, wait. Before you do, tell me that I'm a good kitty. Say good kitty, head pats, and then you can give me a nitpick. That's the deal. Take it or leave it. That's the deal. I want someone to call me a good kitty, please. Meow. Got it done within the hour, despite the detours. Okay, then keep it to yourself. Okay, determination. Yay, thank you, JJ. Oh, thank you, Signalis. Thank you, Nightmare. Yes, okay, now you can critique me. Good kitties finish the exercise. This is the next one to do. Thank you, gamer. Thank you. This is low-key entertainment. I hope you're not procrastinating at work, but also thank you for being here, lemur. Meow, meow, meow. Have the bracket of the list at the start of the next line or at the end of the last value. Yeah, I think it looks better at the end of the last value. Let's do that. That's a good idea. I said that it looked really weird, but I didn't know how to fix it. And I couldn't find any examples of a good format for this thing. So what did the guy teach me? He teach me Shift E, Shift E. Let me just put it here. Do you guys like a trailing? Should we put a trailing comma just for good measure? Is it procrastinating if you're avoiding bed? Yes. You gotta sleep. Sleep is necessary for your telomeres and the your telomeres and you know? So do we only put a trailing one if we're gonna add more later or just never do it? Honestly, I wouldn't personally do it, but I saw in Pep 8 sometimes they do it. Okay, I took it out. I took it out. I got rid of it. The comma is gone. It's gone. It's gone. She's got a misconception of continue. Okay, if you're gonna wait. So gamer, I will take one critique for one head pats. It's up to you. You have to give me the head pats first. I'll never live forever at this rate. 15A looks easy. Have a crack at it. I'll do trailing comments because of JSON. I don't know how JSON works yet. Said it before, she didn't read it. Wait. Said what? You're right. I missed a lot of chat. I missed a lot of chat. Are we using head pats as a critique token? Yes. Yes, we are. I will not say that ever feels cringy. Yeah, it is cringy. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, take care. Now feel free to tell me I'm about to continue. Because you're right. I actually don't know how to use continue, end, or break. Are they exchangeable? Can I trade them? Yes, you can trade them for something. Finish your homework and conquer the world. uh, so, someone, maybe I should just read it. Should I read it in the book? I'm sure it's in here. I think it was in, what is it? Flow control. Conditionals, maybe? Or no, is that loops? I'm really confused. I don't remember. Yeah, I think conditionals had end. Was it the loops that had continue? I don't understand for loops. Let's take a look. Python doesn't have end? It doesn't? I thought I saw it. Wait, am I making this up? Let's go back. Let's go back a little. Maybe, okay, I have a lot of things I'm really confused about. If else. Where did I see that? I think I just made that up then. I thought it had an end. Oh, whatever. Well, whatever. Let's go back to loops. I want to read about not the loops themselves, but where's the other thing? Controlling loops. Here. Python uses the keywords continue and break to provide more control over for and while loops. Continue starts a new loop iteration. Break terminates the loop early, continuing a loop with the next iteration. Let's stick with names.py program. Suppose we want all uppercase names in our upper names list except Max. The continue can help us do that. I see. For name in names, if name max, skip it. Otherwise, do upper name equals name upper. I am really not doing that right. Python doesn't have n, not as a keyword. I don't know. I made it up. I'm sorry. Love to see you solve some Python problems in Leet code. Oh, thank you, McGlovin. I can't do Leet code yet, but probably in the future, maybe I'll try. Hi, Mr. Blue. So, if I just take out continue, does it still work? Let's find out. I've just been throwing it in there because, like, so I feel like there was at least one time where I did an if, like I did some conditional in a loop, but then it just went to the next step and it didn't continue. Skips the current iteration. Break will exit out of the loop. Actually, let me look at break. I don't really understand it that well. You can often rewrite a loop that uses continue with a negated if conditional. Oh, so you don't even need continue. Okay. That's really... For value in collection, if not some condition, continue. If not another condition. We can use continue to rewrite this loop without nested ifs. Oh wait, okay. For value in collection, if some condition, do something. If another condition, do something else. Ha ha ha. And then there's breaking out of a loop. So we have search pi with some numbers. Found item index. While index is less than the length of numbers, if numbers at index at some index from 0 to the length is equal to 5, found item is equal to whatever that number index is. And then increase the index by 1, and then print the found item. This program iterates over the elements to find the element whose value is 5. It saves the index value in found item. However, the loop continues to iterate after finding the desired value. That seems pointless and wasteful. It's where break steps in to save the day. So, if you find 5, then you put the index there and break. But if you don't find 5, you keep incrementing the index. Okay, that makes a little bit of sense. Meow, 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 meow. More of a switch guy. Python doesn't have end. Not allowed to tell her. Oh, thank you. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. I quit after hard problem. You could always go back. Continues, skip the duration. Break exit. I read that already. Lua has end. Okay. I like Lua. Maybe that's where I thought. Maybe that's what I thought. I don't know. The best use case for continue is skip this iteration. Okay, I just gonna take it out. Experiment it and break to see what happens. I'm pretty sure I did break something once, and then I got like PTSD from breaking it, so then I just started putting continues in everywhere. Let's see. Meow, meow, meow. Gives me meow, meow, meow. Okay, it still works without to continue. We take it out. Hey, we made it 2 lines shorter. Very nice. I forget Python has switch case or match case. Yeah, I saw that too. I don't remember how that works either, but that's somewhere. I gotta reread this book again, honestly. Anyway, I have to end the stream because it's 2 hours, But yeah, tomorrow I will do termination determination. This is just an example. The actual problem is we gotta do reading the program, go to it, smart simulation, and basic simulator. Oh, like the basic coding language? Oh, wait, like a basic? Like, what is it? Beginners all purpose. I forget what a basic stands for. Beginners all purpose something instruction code. I don't remember. This stream is distracting me from writing. It's a good thing I'm ending it now. Good night. Bye, kitties. I leave. See you tomorrow or next time or whenever. Thank you. I appreciate your presence.